This is Secondary Math 3 Honors 8.5 or IB Math SL 3.5. And we're going kind of a little bit beyond the binomial theorem and thinking in terms of, instead of expanding this whole thing out, let's try to find a specific term. In this case, I want the term that's going to contain a cubed. So when I kind of write this out, I'm not exactly sure which term I'm going to need, so I'm just going to write out what the binomial theorem is going to look like for one of the terms. So I'd have a 9 here, and then I don't know what the R term is, so I don't know what goes in that next spot. It could be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to have 2a raised to some power and negative 3b raised to some power. So I need to figure out what these numbers are going to be. So we're going to kind of think about this as if we were going to be expanding it. What would get me a cubed? Well, there's only one place where there's an a, right here. So to get that cubed, this would need to be a 3. So I'm looking for my third term. Now, because of the symmetry with this, technically you could have a 3 here, or you could have a 9 minus 3. It doesn't matter. So I'm just going to stick a 3 here. So I'm going to have the term that's going to have a 3 here. So technically I think it's my fourth term because we have a 0 in there. And then if this is a 3, this is a 3. Remember, I need to get to a 9. One of the patterns was that these two always add to what this number is. So what is 9 minus 3? It's going to be 6. So I'm going to write that out so you can see it a little bit clearer. This one seems to work. So I'm going to have that and 2a to the third and negative 3b to the 9 minus 3, which is 6. Okay. Then I'm going to figure out what that is with my calculator. And I'm going to just kind of go up here and retype stuff in. Now, I said you could have the 3 there or the 9 minus 3. I'll show you. So I could have had that or the 6 because of the symmetry in the Pascal's triangle. So that piece is going to be 84. Then I have this 2a cubed. So the 2 is cubed. So that's going to give me 8. A cubed. And then I also have that negative 3b to the 6. So I don't know off the top of my head what negative 3 to the 6 is going to be. Now, I don't technically need to include the negative because it's being raised to an even power. It's going to be positive, so 729. Of course, they're right by the way. Okay, so then you just multiply it all together. So we've got 84 times 8 times 729, which is a big number. 48988. A to the third, b to the sixth. And then that would be your answer because you were just looking for that one term. Okay, there's one more example, but I'm going to do that on a separate video.